Hi, this is Ruby Rosa with Premier Edge Marketing Support. Meta Business Suite lets you connect with your patients and followers, giving them information about the services you provide and the special value you deliver. VSP's social media support, along with Meta Business Suite, makes creating, scheduling, and publishing social media posts fast and simple. It only takes a couple of minutes. Let's get started. From the VSP Provider Hub, we hover over Premier Edge and click on social media support. Here we're going to scroll down to schedule posts in advance and click on Meta Business Suite. Now it's going to ask us to log into our Facebook. This will connect all our accounts. Once again, we select Meta Business Suite. And it shows us everything we need and what we can work with and how to create a post. Thanks for joining us and look forward to more videos from your social media resources page and Premier Edge Marketing Support. Thank you.